Okay, yesterday I had given you one point. 2 points I had given you. One is milk tea and black tea, and second is rich man and poor man. Here time is so now it's discussion. So now you have to put your views one by one. Huh? First you have to give your short introduction and then start. First we will talk about milk tea and black tea. Got it? Understood? On your mind. So you first give introduction and then start. Okay, start now. Shreya, start.
Okay. Hi, my name is Shreya. I'm from Bungurla, and I'm tell you two points. Milk tea and black tea. I'm
Hmm.
choose black tea. Uh, I have completed English speaking course 1 month.
Hmm.
Um, uh, Now I am present you two debates, black tea and milk tea. I'm choose the black tea. Uh,
Okay, just wait.
my
She will give. Just wait now. She will give introduction. Okay, start now. Next. Trupti, start.
Hello friends, I am Trupti from Vingurla. Um, I have completed online English speaking course uh, 1 week.
Hmm.
Uh, so I am presenting black tea and milk tea. So my choice milk tea.
Hmm. Okay. Okay, start now. Shreya, start.
okay. Okay. Uh, Black tea is easy to make. Black tea is easy to digest
Hmm.
uh, and good for health.
Hmm.
Doctor advise to take black tea.
Hmm.
And new generation
Prefer.
um, prefer black tea. Um,
It take
uh,
less. It takes less.
and it is take less time to make,
Hmm.
and
Also, it takes less expenses.
it is take less cost.
Less cost. Okay. Yes, Trupti, talk about milk tea.
Milk tea is work. Milk tea work as welcome juice.
Hmm.
Everyone makes milk tea in morning.
Hmm.
Um, then milk tea is easily available in hotel and resort.
Hmm.
Um,
Yes,
milk
festival time. Hmm.
milk tea is tasty.
Hmm.
Um,
And festival time we make
uh, okay. A festival time we
make.
everyone makes milk tea.
Hmm.
Um,
So, okay. You make other point. म्हणजे milk there are talk about the milk tea brands. Also, we can make our own business about talk. Huh? Should I talk about black tea and other points? Huh? Black tea, black tea.
Uh, Milk tea is not good for health and
You.
not
Okay, okay. How get it? Milk tea.
milk tea is not good for health,
Hmm.
and milk is not uh, good digest good digest.
Milk
But
tea. Milk tea is, takes longer time to digest. असं आहे का?
but
Hmm.
uh, black tea is easily digest
Hmm.
and it's good for health
Hmm.
and uh, cannot weight
Have
loss,
weight gain.
sorry,
Weight
weight
gain. Huh?
gain. Because of milk tea, weight can't
Can't
uh, weight,
gain.
weight can gain.
Hmm.
Uh,
Also,
Milk tea.
Ayurveda prefer. If you talk about the Ayurveda, then Ayurveda suggests you to take black tea.
mm,
Yes, Trupti talk about milk tea. Trupti talk some point.
When guests come, then we serve them milk tea.
Yes.
Um, uh,
Okay, so you have given
yes.
your best performance. You have given here good points. I really appreciate you. You have completed your 1 month and you have completed your only 1 week, and then also you have presented here your debate. Okay, so one more debate I will take next. Okay, just wait.